Everyone, kumusta lahat? It's my third week here in Arizona and I'm still waiting for the activation of my USRN license here. Recently, before I left the Philippines, I helped someone with their NCLEX application under New York NYSED. And on this video, I'm going to share with you guys our timeline and the total cost of the application. And before we start, please support my channel by subscribing and clicking the bell button down below. Also, if you have questions, please comment down below so I can help you with your inquiries. Okay, we started the New York application for NCLEX on January 13, 2024, and that costs us $143. Credit card lang yon online. And after you register for the NCLEX application under New York, you can immediately do the Child Abuse and Infection Control training. So after nun, same day, pwede mo agad gawin yon. And that training will cost you $54.99. Now, ang next step done is going to your school and apply for the TOR, state form, RLE, course description. Anyway, iba-iba yung cost ng bawat school. So sa school ng kaibigan ko, it cost us $2,770 or $50.36. Ngayon, that was January 15. And then next is the PRC. Now for the PRC, the total cost is 2,480 pesos, or if you convert it to dollar, conversion is 55, that is $49.06. After you receive the school papers, they will tell you kung anong courier nila pinapadala yung mga files. So depende rin yun sa courier. Ang sa amin, DHL yung ginagamit ng school nila. So, ang total cost naman nun is 3,000 pesos or $54.54. Now, nabalik na ng school yung papers ng kasama ko February 25 na. Ngayon, depende talaga to sa bawat school kasi actually, nirush namin to. Yung ibang school, 1 week, 2 weeks lang, okay na agad. Yung iba naman, 3 months. So, depende rin talaga. May ibang mabibilis, may ibang medyo tamang bilis lang. Okay? And then, lastly, recently lang, nakuha niya na yung ATT niya. So, nag-send ng information yung New York Board of Nursing sa kanya na accepted na yung mga credentials niya and pwede na siya mag-schedule na ATT. Ngayon, sa Pearson V naman, nag-schedule na siya and that cost $200. And that was April 25, 2024. Again, pwedeng mapabilis to eh. Kasi kung titingnan mo yung mga dates, 3 months siya or more, no? Pwede mapabilis to kung mabilis yung school na gagawa ng papers nyo. So, again, the total cost, no? Lahat-lahat na, the total is $552.49 or more or less mga 31,000 pesos. In my opinion, mabilis na to. Kahit sabihin na iba na 1 month lang sa kanila, yung application nila sa New York, mabilis pa rin to. Kasi sa akin, sa New Mexico, it took me like 6 months ata o 9 months. Hindi ko na maalala. And it is way more expensive. Kasi pag compact state, dadaan pa sa CGFNS. So, bago ka mag-apply doon, ang dami mong sasagutan. Yung CES pa lang medyo mahal na. So, more or less, pag nag-compact state ka, sabihin natin New Mexico or iba pang state, that would cost you around mga 6 digits na ngayon. Or siguro mga 80, mga ganyan. So, sabihin natin 80 to 100,000 pesos. So, this is really cheap. So, sa mga gusto mag-DIY dyan, gusto mo lang na mas mura, New York Board of Nursing is the way to go talaga. Good luck sa mga mag-exam dyan. Kayang-kaya nyo to. By the way, mag-UWorld kayo. UWorld lang din ginamit ko. Masa naman, okay naman. Sa mga magkukuha dyan, good luck ha. Kayang-kaya nyan. See you guys in the next video. Adios. Bye-bye.